Today we're going to learn how to use all the features of Entry and Drive on your 718. Porsche Entry and Drive is an optional feature for your 718. What it does is allow for convenience, ease of use, ease of entry, and a wide variety of other features on your 718. To utilize Entry and Drive, make sure that you have your key fob on your person. As you're approaching your car with your key in your pocket, you can unlock your vehicle by touching the door handle. To lock your vehicle, you do a single press of the indentation on the door handle. To lock your vehicle but turn off interior monitoring, all you need to do is press the indentation once and then a second time within 2 seconds. You'll know the locking process of your 718 is complete by a double beep and a double flash of your hazard lights. If you're locking the vehicle and also turning off interior monitoring, that same thing will happen, a double beep and a double flash of your hazard lights, plus there'll be a long hold of your hazard lights telling you that your vehicle is now locked with interior monitoring turned off. To fold in your exterior mirrors on your 718, all you have to do is press the locking indentation on the door handle and hold that until your exterior mirrors fold in. You can also use the same actions that you do on the door handle on your key. To open the rear trunk, make a swiping motion with your hand lightly touching the bumper just below the Porsche logo on the rear of the vehicle. To open the front trunk, make a swiping motion with your hand lightly touching the front bumper just under the crease of the hood under the crest. This will pop the hood and allow you to use the lever to fully open your front trunk. You now can enjoy easy access to your 718 using Porsche Entry and Drive.